Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Topic is art and craft. Today we are going to see how to make dye paper wall hanging using birds. Materials required are red paper, white paper, glue, scissor, birds and cardboard. Okay children? Yes. Let's we start. Take a thin strip of color sheet and fold it. As shown in the video, you have to fold it children. You have to fold 2 times. See children. Again you have to fold it, that corner. And crease. Now take a pencil and draw a semicircle of towards the folded side. And take a scissor and cut it. This would give us the petal shape. Okay children? Yes. Next, take a buds. Stick the buds in the center of the petals. Okay children? Yes, like this. You have to make more buds and petals. As shown in the video, have to do children. Okay. Now take a white square sheet of paper and fold into a triangle shape. See. Cut out the extras. Again you have to fold it triangle shape. See children, like this you have to fold it. Yes. You have to fold it opposite side also. Okay children, are you understand? Yes. See children. Now take a pencil and draw a curve shape. Curve shape. Okay children? Yes. Now take a scissor and cut it. This would like also flower shape. Take scissor, lightly you have to cut that flower. Yes children. See. Now, see. Now arrange it like this. Yes. Now pinch the petals in the middle. See children. Pinch the petals in the middle. See children. Next you can make such flowers 3 different size. See. 1 8 into 8 centimeter, 6 into 6 centimeter, 4 into 4 centimeter. Okay children? Yes. Now paste it order of size. 1 by 1 you have to paste it. See. Yes children? Okay. Now again take a thin strip of red sheet, cut it like this and fold it. Take a scissor and cut it thin strips of towards the end. Here and here, towards the end, and roll it. Like this you have to roll it. See children. Now take that flower and paste it in middle. See children, how beautiful. Now take a circular of cardboard and take that buds petals, paper also. Now apply for the glue 4 sides. First take a 4 bud petals and paste it round. Then you take all the petal buds and you have to paste it in around. See children. Lastly take that flower and paste it on top of the cardboard. Yes, like this you have to paste it. See children. Now your beautiful dye wall decoration is ready. Dear parents and children, to receive our online lessons and videos, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest videos and updates. Thank you children.